Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'd like to share with you a free report which you can get. I click on the report now. So I've created this report reading, though to be honest, I use ChatGPT, but I do read through and see whether it's logical, whether it's real, because I've been doing this passive income, I've been doing this passive income business for a long time, and I know what works and what doesn't work. So this works, you see. After I actually created this report and then with ChatGPT, and then there's this good chapter. It's clickable. If you click on this ebook, you will actually see the definition of passive income. But the most one of the most important ones is the quick strategies for earning passive income, affiliate, print on demand, and digital products. These are very important. And then there are other advanced topics on automation tool, diversifying, and continuous learning adaptation. This will be very useful to you, and it's free to use. I mean, you can use it any way you want. You can give it free as a report to your subscribers, email list. Just use it because I created this from ChatGPT. There's no copyright, so you can just use it. You can even edit this uh, to your own report if you want to. The link, I mean, or name, put your name on it if you want to. So, this is the what I want to share with you. Please click my link and download it. Hope it helps you, and all the best to your endeavors. Take care. Bye bye.